If you're looking to stop recurring charges on TikTok, this guide will help you navigate the process easily. Follow these steps to manage your subscriptions effectively. Step 1. Open TikTok app. Launch the TikTok app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into the account that has the subscription you want to cancel. Step 2. Access your profile. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your personal profile page. Step 3. Go to Settings. In your profile, tap on the 3 horizontal lines or the 3 dots in the top right corner to access the Settings menu. Look for the Settings and Privacy option. Step 4. Manage Subscriptions. Scroll down to find the Subscriptions option. Here, you'll see a list of your active subscriptions. Select the subscription you wish to cancel. Step 5. Cancel subscription. Follow the prompts to cancel your subscription. Make sure to confirm the cancellation when prompted to ensure that you will no longer be charged. Once you've completed these steps, you will have successfully stopped any recurring charges on TikTok. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to TikTok support.